So I don't think people understand just how ancient some fish species are. These creatures have been around for millions of years, surviving through countless changes in the Earth's climate and geography. Their resilience is truly remarkable. Yet today, many of these ancient species are facing their greatest threat ever: human activity. Today, we're talking about 5 fish that are either extinct or on the brink. These species are not just numbers on a list, they represent unique evolutionary paths and ecosystems that are irreplaceable. First up, the Chinese paddlefish. Once one of the largest freshwater fish, these giants could grow up to 23 feet. They were a marvel of nature with their long paddle-like snouts that helped them navigate the murky waters of the Yangtze River. They swam our waters for over 200 million years, but were wiped out by habitat destruction and dams. The construction of dams on the Yangtze River disrupted their migratory routes and breeding grounds, making it impossible for them to reproduce. The last confirmed sighting was in 2003, and they were declared extinct in 2022. It's a sobering reminder of how quickly human activities can drive a species to extinction. Next, the tequila splitfin. These little guys were thought to be extinct until conservationists reintroduced them. Their story is a rare glimmer of hope in the fight against extinction. They're native to just one small river in Mexico and are named after the nearby Tequila volcano. This limited range makes them incredibly vulnerable to changes in their environment. Their limited habitat makes them extremely vulnerable. Any pollution or changes in water flow can have devastating effects on their population. Now, let's talk about the smoothhand fish. The first marine fish officially declared extinct. This small, quirky fish was a unique part of the marine ecosystem. This unique fish used its fins like hands to walk on the seabed. It was a fascinating example of the diversity of life in our oceans. Sadly, habitat loss and climate change led to its disappearance. The degradation of its habitat due to human activities left it with nowhere to go. Then we have the devil's hole pupfish. Found in a single geothermal pool in Nevada, they survive in extreme conditions with high temperatures and low oxygen. Their resilience is astonishing, but it also makes them incredibly vulnerable to any changes in their tiny habitat. These rare fish are closely monitored to prevent total extinction. Scientists are working tirelessly to ensure that their unique habitat remains stable. Lastly, the European sturgeon. These ancient fish can live over 100 years and grow up to 16 feet. They are living fossils, having existed since the time of the dinosaurs. Overfishing for caviar and blocked migration routes from dams and pollution have drastically reduced their numbers. The demand for their eggs, known as caviar, has led to rampant overfishing. Every little effort counts in saving these incredible species. Conservationists around the world are working to protect these fish and their habitats, but they need our support. Subscribe for more educational and informative content. By staying informed, we can all play a part in protecting our planet's incredible biodiversity.